Hi Red Belts, welcome to this video tutorial going over the hook kick. I have Master Lee and Master Joe that will be demonstrating and helping me out, and hopefully this is helpful while you guys are practicing at home. Alright, we can do the hook kick with the front leg. We can also do the hook kick with the rear leg. The important thing with the hook kick is that you're covering a wide area. So if you're looking at a clock and you have 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, and 3 o'clock, I want you to think of your kick as covering 10 o'clock, 11, 12, 1, 2. You're whipping your kick around using the clock as a guide. So let's watch a couple of hook kicks from Master Lee and Master Joe. 1, yeah. 2, yeah. 3, yeah. Okay. Notice how they went around the top part of the clock. That's why we call it a hook kick, because you're hooking your kick around the numbers of the clock. You can also do that same kick using your rear leg. So we'll have the instructors demonstrate the hook kick using their rear leg. 2,